Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a seamless way to manage your finances in Italy? Well, look no further. In today's video, I am going to show how to open a Revolut account in Italy step by step so you can start enjoying all the benefits right away. Let's get started. First things first, you will need to download a Revolut app from your app store. Once it's installed, open the app and select Italy as your country resident. Next, you will be prompted to enter your phone numbers. Make sure it's an Italian number and that's it's a link to your account. After typing your number, you will receive a code. Type into the code process. Now you will have the option to turn on notifications. Next, you will need to provide some personal information, including your country of residence, home address, name, date of birth, and email. Make sure all the information is accurate and that matches your official document. To verify your identity, you will be asked to take a quick selfie. If you are the US or Canadian citizen, you may need to provide a social security number. After that, you will need to choose the options for what you want to use the rewards. Next, you will have the option to top on your account. So to do so, provide the bank account details for initial deposits. Your progress should be saved at this stage, allowing you to either proceed to the next step or resume the verification process when you are ready. Now that's it. Opening a Revolt account in Italian is very easy. Now you can start using your account to and send the receive money and exchange currencies and much more. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, like to subscribe for more tech tips.